CNBC.com's Brian Schwartz reporting today that the billionaire hedge fund titan Marc Lasry and the investment banker Blair Effron are opening their donor networks to Biden after previously backing Kamala Harris. Brian joins us now. So, Harris goes out.
Yep.
Biden is there.
Yep.
Why did they pick Biden?
Well, they just think he is really the best candidate to not only win this primary, but take on President Donald Trump come a general election. The other piece of this is Wall Street is really worried about somebody like Elizabeth Warren. They see Biden, many of his proposals, as kind of a countermeasure to her, and they think he's the best shot to win this primary, including over Pete Buttigieg, who's been also fading in the polls as well. Joe Biden really has, 9 lives in a way. Every time you think he's made a mistake on the campaign trail, he continues to stay ahead and keep up in the pack in first place. And that's why they're kind of putting all their resources, at least at this point, behind him.
Brian, are you surprised that you're not seeing more Wall Street support for Bloomberg?
I'm not too surprised with that because he and his team, Mike Bloomberg that is, and his team, have been in touch with many of these people. And they have told them, we really don't need your help for this campaign for president because Mike Bloomberg, as you both know, is worth just over $54 billion. He's fine. But he's also telling them, and they have a meeting tonight in New York, by the way, with all these finance executives, Bloomberg and his team, to back the DNC, put their money toward the DNC in state party races, because in Bloomberg's opinion, the DNC does need a lot of help come the general election against
Lasry, I know, of course, he owns the Milwaukee Bucks, among other things. He runs Avenue Capital.
Yep.
Effron, I'm less familiar with. But they have been big bundlers and fundraisers in the past for Democratic candidates like Mr. Obama, Ms. Clinton.
Well, right, and both of them individually helped raise over $500,000 for Obama in 2012. In 2016, for Hillary Clinton, it was each of them raised just over $100,000 for her. So these really are two big players for Joe Biden. It really is kind of a key moment in this bigger fundraising battle for Joe Biden in particular, who needs the cash going into the year 2020.
Who's got the most cash on hand right now?
It's really coming down to Elizabeth Warren and Bernie Sanders. Pete Buttigieg is right there as well. But those two have done very well kind of spending and raising money, kind of balancing it all out through small dollar donors. And they have the lead there. Joe Biden just didn't do so well in this last quarter, and that's why he needs people like